Greetings sir, I'm Joshua Saladaga from 2CSE and I'm the one po na mag-explain ng ginamit po naming method for main class. The main class po is the entry point of the Jabra program. Inside the main method, it creates an instance of simulation class which is responsible for handling the main functionality of the program. After pong maka-create po yung ah, simulation, yung code po is tatawagin po sa setup data from user, a method that likely collects or prepares the data input needed for the simulation. Once the required data is set up, the program proceeds to execute run simulation. Ito na po yung ira-run po ah, ng code yung simulation which performs the actual simulation process. Ah, In overall po, the main class simply initialize the simulation and triggers the methods necessary to gather user data and run the simulation logic.
The city graph class represents a city map using location and distance between them. It stores location names in an array and using a matrix to record the distance between connection location. The program allows adding new location and create two-way connection with specific distance. It can point all location and the routines between them. The class also calculate the shortened path between two locations using a shortest path algorithm and return to the total distance and route. Lastly, display the route in the simple ASCII style format.
The emergency class, public class emergency. So, an emergency class with a four attribute type, which is yung location, urgency, and timestamp. So, this line declare ay four attributes for emergency class type is a string that store the kind of emergencies such as a fire or accident. So, the location is a string that specifies where the emergency happens. Urgency is an integer that shows how critical the emergency is, with a higher values, meaning more urgent. Timestamp is an integer that records the time an emergency occurred together. These variables define the. So, good day everyone. Today I will explain the emergency BST class, which is yung nodes. In the emergency BST class, each emergency is stored in a node. A node contains an emergency object as well as a reference to left and right child node. So the left child stores emergencies with higher urgency, while the right child stores emergency with a lower urgency. So the node structure simply assign the given emergency to the node, especially if the nodes act the building blocks of the tree. So it's allowing the emergency to be organized efficiently by urgency and timestamp, so that the most critical cases are always easy to access.
For graph path, public class graph path. This defines a class named graph path that represent a path through a graph. String nodes, int distance. Nodes, an array of strings that stores the name of the nodes visited in order. Distance, an integer representing the total distance of or cost of the path. Public graph path. This constructor creates a new graph path object and assigns the list of nodes and the overall distance. This nodes refers to the class variable, which nodes refers to the parameter public string path string. It starts with an empty string that restores the formatted path. Loop through each node. For int I is equal to 0, I is greater than nodes that length I++. As the current node, name to the output string. Add arrow between nodes only if I is greater than nodes that length -1 out plus is equal to negative greater than, less than. This adds negative less than, only if it's not the last node. Return out, once the loop finishes, the method returns the complete formatted path.
The responder map class is a simple key value storage that pairs the string key with responder object using two parallel array. It allows adding it updating responder using a key interview a responder are stored. The class can also display all responders and calculate distance to each responder to target location by using the city graph. Shorter path method is the show if a responder cannot reach the target.
Hello, my name is Jerome C. Bantang, and I explain this part of emergency BST. Public class emergency BST. This creates a class named emergency BST which will manage emergencies using a binary search tree. Emergency stores the emergency data, node, left, right, pointers to the left and right child nodes. Constructor node puts the emergency objects inside this node, root, the top of or starting point of the BST. Total inserted counts how many emergencies were inserted, returns true if the tree has no root, meaning no data. Calls the recursive insert function, increase the number of inserted emergencies. Private node insert rec. If we reach an empty spot, put the new emergency here. If urgency is higher, store it on the left. If urgency is lower, store it on the right. If urgency is equal, compare timestamp. Earlier timestamp left, later timestamp right. This ensures ordering is consistent. This removes an emergency based on urgency and timestamp. Else, if urgency know that urgency know that right, delete rec. Know that right urgency timestamp. Else, if urgency know that urgency know that right is equal to delete rec, right urgency timestamp. If urgency matches, compare timestamp. Else, if know that left is equal to null, return node that right. No child, delete directly. One child, replace node with its child. Two children find successor. Step 2. Find successor, smallest in the right subgroup. Replace current node data with successor data. Node that m is equal to suck.m. Delete the successor node. Node that right delete is equal to delete rec. Count all nodes. If node is null, count 0. Otherwise, count current node plus depth sub-tree plus right sub-tree.
Greetings, I am Aljil and I will explain the responder type enum class and simulation class of our program, which is the Smart City Emergency Response Management System, or SCRMS. So for the responder type enum class, this class is implemented as enum, or which stands for enumeration. So an enum is used when we want to define a fixed set of constants. So in our system, we use enum to represent the three types of emergency responders that can be dispatched in the city. So first, we have the ambulance for medical emergencies. Next, fire truck for the related emergencies. Next, police unit for security or crime related incidents. Next, for the simulation class. Now I will explain the simulation class. So this class is responsible for running the entire emergency response system. So from data setup to choosing responders, routing, and producing summary reports. So first we have the class fields or the variables. So we have the city graph. So this stores all city locations and routes. It handles shortest path computations. Next we have the emergency BST or emergency binary search tree. So it will stores the emergency based on the urgency and time of report. Then we have the responder map or responders, a hash map storing all responders using their IDs. We also have the timestamp counter used to track the order of emergencies. So, and also the scanner, which is used to read the user inputs. Next, for the constructor, we have the graph, new city graph, emergency BST equals new binary BST. Responders equals new responders map. So the numbers inside of it, which is simply means the maximum number of nodes of responders on our system that can handle. Next, we have this setup data from user, which is user input base. So it has a four main sections. First, we have the city locations. Next, city routes, responders, and emergencies. Then we have the add emergency, which is storing emergencies. So this method increments the timestamps, creates an emergency object, and inserts into the BST. So this will ensure we always retrieve the most urgent and earliest emergency first. Next, we have the run simulation, so which is the core simulation loop. So the system will it includes the prints all locations and responders. Next, continuously retrieves the most urgent emergency. Next, find the nearest available responder. Next, we have the computes the shortest path. Dispatch the responder, updates the responder status, remove the emergency from the BST. Next, we have the find nearest available responder. So this method checks every available responder and computes the shortest path to the emergency location. So the responder with the nearest least distance is selected to handle the emergency. And next we have the print summary report, which is the system prints a summary, which is the total emergencies, resolved emergencies, pending emergencies, number of active responders, then system efficiency.
Hello, Dangal greetings. I am Cheryl Manguera. In the ID, it identifies the responder, the type, the kind of responder, the location where the responder is currently available, whether the responder is free or busy. The responder class defines an object with an ID, a type of location, and an availability status, initializes these values through its constructor, and provides a toString method that returns a text description showing the responder's ID location and whether they are available or busy. The responder class is currently to represent an individual responder by storing their ID type, current location, and whether they are available or not. When a new responder object is created, the constructor assigns the provided ID, responder, responder type, and location to the object and automatically sets the responder as available. The class also includes toString method that returns a readable sentences showing the responder's ID, their location, and whether they are currently available or busy, making it easier to display the responder's information.